Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring and removing the old screen. This is where accuracy matters because the new mesh must fit snugly. First, lay the frame face down on a table, then use the utility knife to cut out the old spline and pull the worn mesh free. Once the spline is out, inspect the channel for debris and press it clean. This prevents gaps. Make sure to keep the frame steady while you measure the opening for the replacement mesh so cuts are clean and square. Next, cut the new screen about 1/2 inch larger than the frame to give you room to tension it. Lay the mesh over the frame and secure one side loosely with a small length of spline or clothespins, then move to the opposite side, pulling the mesh taut before seating spline with the roller. Once two opposite sides are set, work the remaining sides, keeping even tension to avoid ripples. When the spline is fully seated, trim the excess mesh flush to the spline for a clean edge. Finally, reinstall the sash and check that the screen sits flat and the window closes properly. This confirms installation integrity. If you notice sagging, remove the spline and retension the mesh, or switch to a slightly larger diameter spline to increase hold. For small holes, use an adhesive patch pressed into place and trim excess. For extensive damage, replace the panel. One troubleshooting tip: if the mesh puckers, loosen the spline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.